Let's take a look at Tesla stock. We closed at $244.50, up $3.67, up 1.52%. Let's look at the chart. If we don't look at the chart, we don't understand the context. Yesterday, we tried to break 249.87 right here. This is a short-term resistance. So short-term, we cannot break this one. We have been trying for the past 4 days exactly. Today, we are not even trying that high. We had the big move down yesterday. Today, we are recovering a little bit. We are $3 above. We are still into our bullish channel. So basically, what is happening right here is still bullish as a whole. Tesla is still going up. We still cannot break 265.32. 265.32 right here. And now we are a little bit closer to our moving average, This is the moving average right here, and we get away from it, and we come back to it, and either we get away or we go below it. We are in a waiting period to see what the stock is going to do, and nobody knows what is going to happen, and nobody knows what the stock is going to do because we have the Tesla Robo Taxi event that is going to happen this Thursday. Depending on what is revealed, and also depending not only on what is revealed, but depending on how people interpret what is being revealed. There's always this interpretation thing that's happening in people's heads. And we don't know what is in people's heads. What is in people's heads is influenced by the analysts sometimes. Tesla fails to impress. If you see that headline, this is going to influence people and how they are going to interpret the actual fact if they read it by themselves eventually. Anyway, so we don't speculate on this channel. When I say that I might buy some calls as a lottery ticket, I mean exactly that. It's not technical analysis that is telling me you should buy some calls. It's myself anticipating great news and great interpretations that will lead to more people wanting to buy than wanting to sell so that the stock might go higher. This is pure speculation on my part. And technical analysis is different than that. Technical analysis is looking at the actual candles, at the actual tug of war between the buyers and sellers. Friday, after the event, we are going to do technical analysis because we are going to see the impact on what happened on Thursday, Friday. We are going to see it and we are going to analyze it. But right now, there is nothing to analyze considering this event. We can analyze right now that 249.87 is a resistance that we cannot break. We can analyze that our stock is close to the moving average. We can analyze that stochastic is below 60. We can go on the 1 hour chart and look at how the day went. We had a nice move up, but look at this. So we are caving in to this resistance right here. Cannot make this up. We are right smack on it. What is that resistance? This is the bullish channel resistance that we had since August of this year. So now we cannot even break that one. So this is something that we can analyze. We analyze facts on the market, on the public stock market of Tesla. Let's also take a look at the VIX. VIX is at 21.43. When it crosses 20, we get very careful. So now it's a little bit higher. We closed lower than yesterday, but we still made a higher high. We still made a higher low. So we are pretty much where we were in September of this year. If we stay up, this is going to have an impact on the stock market. The higher the VIX, the lower the stock market. But when we have potentially great news for a stock, then that stock can overpower the overall stock market. Now, let's take a look at our stock indices. So Dow Jones going sideways. It does not know what it wants to do. It's staying put. SPX, we are maintaining ourselves above this support right here. We have this bullish channel support that has now become resistance that we cannot break. We have been under for 6 days. If we start breaking that resistance, then this is going to be an indication that we want to go higher. And then And then the next move right here could take us to 6,000. So SPX 6,000 is a possibility after we break what we need to break. In terms of NASDAQ is looking good. NASDAQ, we were kind of pausing. We had a hard time staying above 19,938. So we tried a couple of days ago. Now we are trying again. The tech stocks might be recovering a little. If you become a YouTube member at the community level, I will share the buy signals that I see on Apple, Amazon, AMD, Adobe, ARM, Google, Microsoft, Meta, NVIDIA, Palantir, SMCI, SoFi, BYD, Lucid, Neo Battery Material, which did a 3x recently. It did a 3x. Neo, Novonix, Xpeng, Rivian, Nouveau Monde Graphite, Nikola Mining, Bitcoin, XRP, physical gold, and physical silver. Yes, this is not cheap. Yes, it's not for everybody, but now remember, you only need one buy signal to cover the monthly cost. So I hope that you join me. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.